excited. This invader doesn't know where I am, I don't think. It's basically hide and seek time with the invader. Oh, where's he dropping the stuff? What? Where's the red? Oh, he has littered the place with sparkly rocks. Okay, I guess I know where he went. He's probably gonna kill me right at the next bonfire. Oh, he's littered the entire place with sparkly stones. Is he gonna be polite and let me get the bonfire? I need you to back off a little, my friend. Thank you. He's so kind. Yes, hello. I think this invader's showing me where to go. Yes, and that's the next bonfire. Okay. This invader's so cool. Thank you, Mero. Goodbye. What a cool person.